Another crappie. She got another one. Got a little one.
Hey.
That's a little bit.
Nice. This one's good enough, right?
Yeah, that should be good enough.
But okay.
That should be good enough. Thank you, Lord.
I just got this.
All right, well, take your time and untangle it.
Yeah, I got this.
Oh, no. He just fell into the minnow bucket.
Uh-oh, better not eat him.
There we go. We got him.
I heard something, like a flop.
Yeah. He flopped out of my hand. There he goes again. Yep. Whoo. He's like, dude, that's hot. Let's see. No. Gotta be 8 inches. I know it's hot, buddy. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yep. Throw your shirt on. Okay. I know. All right. Right there in the mouth.
Right here, your fingers.
Yep. You gotta grab it good though. All right.
I did that.
You did that. You can put them in the live well if you want. That was good, baby. Yep. You want to?
Sure, I'm not eating it or anything, but.
See if there's enough water in there for it. Drop it down in there. Not hard. Just lay it down over in there. Just lay them down in there.
I guess he's dead. Just kidding.
No, it'll take him a minute.
I'm not getting that.
No, close it. All right, now let's see how deep you were fishing. All right, put another one up. Put another minnow on and keep going that depth. See if you can pull another one out.
Something is on it. What the heck?
That's another crappie. Another crappie. Got us another little one.
You got. Ooh, yucky.
Gotta be 8 inches.
It kind of looks like the last one, but it might be a little smaller or something.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Open it up.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I need to get one.
Go ahead and get him.
What is that?
It's crappie.
What a big one. Rude.
We got a little perch. Huh?